All right, so check it out. So this year for Christmas, I got the Ancestry DNA test kit. I got one, my wife Anna got one, my brother and his wife all got one of these from my mom for Christmas. So today I'm going to do sort of an unboxing and go through the whole procedure of what you have to do to take this test. Okay, I've already unwrapped it. Basically, I'm gonna open it up. Says, welcome to Activate Kit Online. So I have to activate it online somehow. Gather DNA, simple and easy. So, do not skip this step. You cannot get your results unless you activate your test. Okay, I guess you have to go to a website and activate this thing. So it says, enter the 15-digit activation code from the collection tube. So, I guess this is the collection tube. And this is what you mail it in. I guess it's already prepaid. No postage necessary, so that's good. Let's open this up real quick. This is what it looks like. Activation code. So, here is the activation code.
Don't show them, they could use your code.
They're not gonna use my code. For what? What are they gonna find out? So, I'm gonna go to this website here and then enter my activation code and then come back and finish the test. Okay, so, went online, activated my account, entered the 15-digit code, which is right here. It asks a few questions, and I'm all set up online. So I guess now after I send this off, I will get a notification, and then I can log in and see my results. So let's do this thing. Step 2 is gather DNA. It says fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. So I'm supposed to fill this tube with spit, and all of a sudden my mouth is dry for some reason. I ate a bunch of peanuts too, so that probably didn't help. Let's see if I can. Oh, this is to help spin it. Good, good.
Ew, I can't look, I'm sorry. No.
Oh my God, that's a lot of spit.
The noise! Ah!
Here, come on.
It's so gross.
Oh, I'm almost there, look, look.
I don't want to show them. No. They believe you. They believe you. Ah! It's so gross, guys. You're lucky you're not here.
Almost done. Almost there. Look at that spit. It's good stuff.
This is so gross. Guys, I'm so sorry you have to witness this.
I'm almost there. Almost to the black one.
You know they have now. The government now has your saliva. They have your DNA now. The government has your DNA.
Okay, now it says to remove the funnel. Remove the funnel. It's kind of gross. And screw on the enclosed cap. So this is the enclosed cap right here. Screw on the enclosed cap.
I have chills looking at it.
Okay, what does it say now? Hold on. Tightly to release the solution. Okay, so we're gonna watch the solution be released into my saliva. Oh, there it goes. So that solution stabilizes the DNA in your saliva. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. Okay, let's shake it. All right, so this is done. Now we place the tube in the collection bag. I guess this is the collection bag. Put that in there. All right. Seal the bag with the adhesive strip. Close it up. Okay. There is a little box that already has the address and no postage necessary. I guess it's paid for.
What? I'm not even doing
Okay.
anything.
Put that in there.
Imagine having this
Close
job and
it.
get to open and
Close
spit. Ew.
And now we take off this
Adhesive.
adhesive sticker thing. And of course, I'm gonna be the one that screws it up. Okay, and voila, there you go. Send this off in the mail, and when we get the results, here, oh, it says right here.
6 to 8 weeks.
Your test will be completed in 6 to 8 weeks from the time we receive your sample. My cameraman is on the phone all of a sudden, but anyway, so I got everything in the because my cameraman. So it's boxed up and ready to go. I'm gonna mail this off, and in 6 to 8 weeks, I will get the results. I'll be able to log in to Ancestry.com, check out the results, and then we'll compare them. What we're gonna do is compare them to Anna's results, because she's from France, so that should be interesting, seeing my results and her results, and also my brother comparing my results to his results and to his wife. So that should be fun. See you in 6 to 8 weeks.